If you ever watched a high quality tutorial and wondered how the presenter got the floating circular face cam, it's not usually a fancy editor, it's a live overlay. On macOS, however, there is no built-in way to do this. QuickTime only give you a rectangle and a professional app can cost upwards of $80. Today I'm showing you a free Python script that give you a frameless, always on top circular webcam window you can drag anywhere on your screen before you hit record button. To get started, you just need Python 3 and two specific packages. Open your terminal and run install command provided in the guide. Once that's ready, create a file named floating underscore webcam.py and paste in the code. One quick tip, the first time you run this, macOS will ask for camera permission for your terminal or code editor. You must allow this or your window will just stay black. To run it, navigate to your folder in terminal and type python 3 floating underscore webcam.py. Boom! A perfect circle appears. Now, if the word script or terminal sounds a bit too technical for you, there is an even easier way. You can use GoTelePrompt screen recorder. This is a browser based tool, which means there is nothing to install on your computer. It has a built in circular facecam just like the script. It's completely free, work in 4K quality, and take about 10 seconds to set up. If you want the professional look without touching a single line of code, this is the way to go.